is our room when you walk in. Here is our stateroom attendant. He's amazing. Edom, we love him already. Here's our hooks. Here's the light switch. Bring a little card to keep in there. Here's the bunk bedroom. Bottom bunk. My suitcase was too big to fit under here with my carry-on. Top bunk, that's where I slept. You have like a light for both. Then there's a skinny long closet, so our formal stuff is in here. And I chucked my nail stuff down on the bottom. And then right here is the bathroom. We put a shoe rack on the outside for storage. And then another shoe rack on the inside for storage. These things are literally a lifesaver. Here's our bathroom.
The overdoor organizers keep the bathroom so clean and uncluttered, like it's so nice.
And there's a shelf in there. Only one. We had two on the Odyssey. There's one shelf in there.
The shower cubicle is definitely bigger than on the Odyssey.
So you thought the shower was bigger too?
I had more room like this than on the Odyssey.
And then over here's
I still was able to clean on the Odyssey fine.
A closet. Jenny's hamper. Here's our cutie little couch setup. That pulls out into a bed. These are all hung with magnets.
Only use magnets, folks. Only use magnets.
Here's another cabinet. And two drawers at the bottom on that one. And two nightstands. And they each have lamps with USBs in them. So that's nice. We hung our room service menu right by the phone. There is no porthole back here. It's just a wall, by the way. And
still no bed skirt.
Royal's not skirting around it. They don't have them.
I'll cruise without a bed skirt as long as I can cruise.
And our basket under the TV hasn't made it here yet. We have all our stuff over here. There's supposed to be art on that wall. It's not here yet. And then all these drawers, and they're yellow on the inside. That's my junk drawer. And your cooler. This appliance is not a refrigerator. And another closet. This one has shelves on this side and the safe. And then on this side, you have hanging space, and we had room to fit two hampers in the bottom. So it's deep. And that is our room.
I would like to say that the one thing I miss from the Odyssey in this room is that shelf that went up between these two closets. And then we could put laptops and
the one that was over our bed.
Stuff up there.
Because it was two shelves over our
Hit
bed.
the iCard if you want to see the Odyssey of the Seas vlog.
It's not done yet.
My left shoulder.
We're cruising again so soon. I don't know.
Surely.
Living
our best life, YouTube. Living our best life.
And here's our view out our porthole. It got a little wet last night. It was clean when we got on yesterday.
I'm still confused why there's like a full balcony out here.
Yeah, this could be a balcony.
Like, put in a door over here, folks, and let us get out there and see the sea.
So, cute. I love it. Here's our room. It's so big.